My name's Rory.
Hi, I'm Nivershi.
I'm David Goinden.
Hello, I'm Yajnik Bajan.
I found the course valuable because regardless of industry, you can frame an issue, and through the design thinking process, you can develop creative and workable solutions that can really create stakeholder value.
I think that it's a really enriching one, especially because we tend to be formatted in the way we think. So this course enables us to think differently and to bring in innovation.
The design thinking training has been very resourceful for us, as it has allowed us to get tools to apply to our day-to-day activities, to communicate properly and speed up the energy transition for the group.
The design thinking course has been very beneficial to me, especially that in the IT industry we need to come forward with lots of innovative ideas and to bring in solutions for complex environment and complex situations.
My key takeaways from this course is that with design thinking, you build to think and not think to build. That prototyping ideas on paper before investing in them can speed up the innovation process.
My key takeaways from this course is that design thinking is a rather simple approach which starts with crafting a guiding question.
So actually my key takeaway for this session would be to frame good questions, because by presenting good questions we can easily have access to desirable answers that will help us to bring in innovative solutions to complex situations.
And that with design thinking, a well-formulated question can help you find the right solution quicker.
Having the question right at the start makes everything go on smoothly afterwards. And for me, I also like the 6-step procedure that were proposed in order to have ideas generated.
The key takeaways that I'm taking from this course are building to think. There are no bad ideas, and how we get ideas from inside, and these are the things that I will apply to my day-to-day activities.
This course has so many important aspects to it, so many important key takeaways that everything cannot be enumerated, but it has to be lived.